Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style in the long wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour, copper bronze, and across the front of the vehicle it features IQ LED Matrix Headlamps, along with a set of front parking sensors set into that stylish front bumper. The Multivan sits on the 19-inch Hamstadt black and silver alloy wheels, and towards the rear of the vehicle, adding to the Multivan's good looks, is this incorporated rear roof spoiler. The vehicle also features a rear view reversing camera located just above the rear number plate, and this paired with the rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper helps you make every parking maneuver with confidence. The Multivan comes with an electric tailgate, allowing versatility when loading and unloading the vehicle. Plenty of boot space as well as a parcel shelf for additional storage. Inside the rear passenger area there are a total of 4 seats with a foldable table in the middle with additional drinks holders. Plenty of light is let into the vehicle thanks to the panoramic glass sunroof. Another nice feature is the twin power sliding doors on either side of the vehicle, allowing easy access for the passengers. Up front in the driver's cab there are 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. All the seats come finished in the Artvelours Bi-colour cloth upholstery. For entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is a 10-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system that comes with the Discover Media navigation with 3D maps. This system also houses the rear camera feed once the reverse gear has been selected. Beneath the touchscreen is a wireless charger with a few charging points and additional cup holders. The driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed as well as heated steering wheel, along with a digital cockpit system.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.